In today's session, I'm going to go through the Google Ads Smart Campaign. Now, the algorithm and the machine learning, the artificial intelligence is improving at an extremely rapid pace. You need to keep control in your ads optimization and management so that Google doesn't go and spend all your budget on search terms, which may not be very good for you. So with this in mind, we have a campaign called Google Ads Smart Campaign. Initially, I wasn't getting any good results, but now, day by day, these smart campaigns are getting smarter, and the results are coming in at a great cost per acquisition, and it is performing or starting to perform really well. So where do these smart campaigns run? So they run all over Google, Google Maps, and right across the Google display network. The key over here is Google Maps, because if you have set up the campaign the right way and targeting the right areas and the locations, it really does work wonderfully well. The beauty of these campaigns is that you don't need to optimize. It's pretty much hands-free. You can create text and image ads, and it's gonna go on Google and Google Maps. So most of the time I want to run on Google Maps, but you can't control it because it's up to Google where it's going to show your smart campaigns. And you can highlight either your whole business, or if you've got different services. So for example, for my business, we have got Google Ads, web design, photography, video marketing, and so on. I can create separate campaigns. So each campaign is really targeted for each service rather than all of them put in one campaign. And I would recommend that you do the same for yourself. This is the Google Ads, the smart campaigns are the easiest campaigns you can set up in Google Ads, and I'm going to go into the interface in a bit and I'll show you how easy this is. So as I said earlier on, it's pretty much totally hands-free with minimal effort, and you can get in front of your potential audience in your targeted location.